Hi everyone, my name is Stacy and today I'm going to show you how to make some Asian pork and shrimp meatballs. Now the first thing we're going to do is start it with 1 pound of ground pork and mix in a half a pound of ground up shrimp. This is raw. Next I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of scallions that have been minced up. I have a half a teaspoon of ground ginger. If you have fresh ginger, that works better and you would have to increase that amount to 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped up garlic, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can also swap that out for white pepper if you prefer. So now I'm just going to mix these up. Make sure everything is well blended. Okay, that should do it. And now I'm just going to make little tiny meatballs about 1.5 inches size and place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. Now these are going to be cooked in my oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, so that looks perfect. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the oven now, and I will show you the finished product when they're done. The meatballs turned out beautifully. They look good, they smell good, and I'm just going to go ahead and set them aside just for a minute while I show you how to make a soy ginger glaze to go over the top. So first of all, in a small saucepan, you're going to need a whisk, and you're going to combine a 1/4 cup of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a half a teaspoon of dried ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. So go ahead and just mix this up. And I'm just going to continue to stir and heat this until it becomes slightly thickened. All right, so the sauce is done. It's perfectly thickened. I'm just going to remove it from the heat, and now I will set this aside and add some of the sauce on top of the meatballs and rice that I have here. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.